Hello and welcome to this bonus or additional lecture in this course on how to make right career choices on the self-assessment tools and personality assessments that you can use to make a right career choice. So in this section, which will keep adding more lectures from time to time, we will keep sharing with you more ways and strategies to make right career choices. And in this particular lecture, we will answer this question: which self-assessment tools and personality assessments to use to understand your strengths, preferences, areas of development to guide your career choices, right? Sounds interesting? Good. So, what do you think? Which self-assessment tools and personality assessments to use for making a right career choice? See, there are several self-assessment tools and personality assessments that can provide useful and valuable insights into your strengths, preferences, and areas of development. And these can help you help guide you into making career choices. Now, let's look at some of the very widely used assessments as we go along in this lecture. The first one is the MBTI, Myers-Briggs Type Indicator. It's a very widely used personality test. It's basically you understand personality preferences based on four dichotomies: introversion, extroversion, sensing, intuition, thinking, feeling, and judging, perceiving. It's a very widely used. And this test can help you understand your natural preferences and how you interact with the world, and can help you make career choices that will align with your personality type, right? For example, if you are an extrovert, sales could be your career. If you are an introvert, maybe analytics could be your career, like this. The another one is a strength finder, Clifton Strengths. And here you identify and understand your top strengths out of a list of 34 talent themes that we have listed here. We're not going to read this out. You can download this file and take a look at them. And this basically emphasizes leveraging and developing strengths rather than focusing on weakness. And this helps in guiding your career choices that align with your natural talents. Disc assessment is another one where you analyze behavioral style based on four personality traits: dominance, influence, steadiness, and conscientiousness. And this basically is used for enhancing self-awareness of communication and work styles, guiding career choices that align with your preferred approach to task and relationship. Both are important things. Big Five personality test, Ocean model is another one that you can use to evaluate personality based on openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. This provides a broad understanding of the personality traits and how they influence behavior, helping guide career choices that align with your personality characters. Discover career interest profile is another interesting thing that you can see. It basically assesses interest and preferences in various career fields, and it offers insights into potential career paths based on individual interest. And that can help you make choices aligned with the personal passions. There is also a test on 16 personalities based on MBTI, which provides a detailed personality profile based on the 16 MBTI types. This is again offered in a nuanced understanding. It offers a nuanced understanding of the personality traits, strengths, and potential career preferences. Via character is another one that we have covered in detail in another of our course, uh, which basically identifies, understand your core characteristics out of the 24 virtues, and it focuses on positive psychology and personal development, guiding career choices that are aligned with your character strengths. Character is the focus here. Holland Code, RIASEC is another one where you identify career preferences based on 6 personality types: realistic, investigative, artistic, social, enterprising, and conventional. And how it is used is that it matches individuals with the work environments and roles that align with their preferences and strengths. Enneagram is another one which explores personality types based on 9 interconnected types, as you see here, and you can read them, each with its own motivations and fears. It offers, this can be used as it offers insights into core motivations and potential areas of personal growth, guiding your career choices that it can align with your Enneagram type. Career Leader is another one which basically integrates interest, motivators, and abilities to assess career preferences, and it is used to provide a comprehensive analysis of strengths and preferences, helping individuals align their career choices with a unique profile. So the question that you will have flashing on your screen is which self-assessment tools and personality assessments to use. Now, it is important to remember that these tools provide insights rather than definitive answers. Consider seeking professional guidance, as from career counselor or coaches, to interpret results and develop a comprehensive understanding of how the insights can help you form informed choices. And you can use multiple assessments because combining insights from these multiple assessments can offer you more holistic view of your strengths and preferences and position you better to make a good career choice. So thank you so much for watching this additional lecture on self-assessment tools and personality assessments in this course on how to make right career choices. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again somewhere. Please do download the PDF file if you need to look at anything, and do message me if there's a question that I can answer for you.